don't need no help, and she don't need no man, and she don't need nobody telling what she can or can't, and she do it on her own, cause she bad to the...
Hey dolls, so today is a collaboration with, once again, Sam's Beauty. I want you to definitely check out all of their information down in the description bar. Let's get into this video. So the style of the wig is a magic U-shaped wig. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and it also has adjustable straps. Here I'm just putting on my powder makeup and then cutting the lace. Not too much. Already this wig is bomb. It's so jet black. I love it. It's a 1 in color. You can also flat iron this wig up to 360. Look how natural the part looks. Yes to 40 inches of gorgeous length. Thank you loves so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Check out samsbeauty.com and all of their social medias, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
She don't need no help, and she don't need no man, and she don't need nobody telling what she can or can't, and she do it on her own, cause she bad to the bone.